I'll be showing you how to get a new now you have first of all you have to go to in marketplace. Now you have to scroll down and go to in shorts that recently created. Now you go up and now in category you have to choose head from head. Now guys, there is a bundle called there is a bundle. Yeah, this bundle I'm talking about the puzzle the puzzle cube 4 by 4, and the similar bundle is right now for 30 Robux, which is 3 by 3 puzzle cube. So make sure right now it is free, so make sure to grab it as soon as possible because it can go on till any time. So once you grab it, I already get this item for free. Now you just need to go to an avatar. Now you have to go to in head and body and choose the style. Now you have to choose 4 by 4 puzzle. So now you can see now if you you can see it puts your face and give headless look. Now you need to remove your hair to give amazing and complete puzzle look. Now I'll show you how Korblox. So you just need to click on search, and now you need to search here. Now you need to search here by name virus, and now it looks like this. It completely covers your face. Now once you're here, now you have to search by mini virus and enter. Now you will see this bundle which is named by mini virus. You have to grab it as soon as possible because right now it is free and it is in huge amount, so it will go on sale very soon by tomorrow. So you need to get this item as soon as possible, and it is a colorable skin tone, so you can change tone as well. Now once you get it, now you have to go back to again avatar. Now you have to go to in head and body and choose right legs because for in Korblox usually the right leg is missing. Now you have to choose mini virus right leg. Now as you can see, it gives you a Korblox look where the right leg is replaced by the two sticks. Fine. So yeah, that's how you can get it. Hope you like it. And this gives you a complete Korblox look, and also remove your hat. Also covers your head completely. So there's no point. There's no head. So you can see that. So yeah, that's it. This is a free and